Alright guys, this is a very exciting video. Today we are packing for our honeymoon. You want to tell them where we're going?
We're going to Punta Cana in Dominican Republic, specifically the Iberostar Navarro Suites.
It is going to be an all-inclusive resort, our very first experience with an all-inclusive, so we are so beyond excited. But yeah, come back with us.
We're going to be there Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we'll go home Saturday.
In the evenings, I figured we would probably dress kind of like how we did on our cruises. We dress a little nicer in the evening, so bring maybe 1 or 2 pairs of nicer shoes. But I feel like most of the day we'll be in pretty much like beach pool wear.
All right, so I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shirts. So maybe 4 daytime shirts, 4 nighttime shirts. We'll see. I got 3 different swim trunks. Oh, very oceany vibe. The wife's got a matching one of these, a matching one of these, a matching one of these. Are we matching every night?
I think so. Here's my matching pair.
Also, something very useful that I like to use. I like to wear a swim shirt just because it's just very protective. You don't get sunburns. I tan super easy, so essential. 80% of my attire are like flower or Hawaiian type shirts. That's when you know you hit the age of like 25 and up. Because that's when every guy is just like, F it, let me just put on some loose fitting Hawaiian shirt. A trick to fill up more things in your luggage that I like to do is 1, also you can get packing cubes. But 2, I just roll these darn things up. And there we go. Got dress pants, nice dress pants.
And when traveling to another country, besides like cruising, I haven't really done it before, but tips and tricks that I have learned is it is important to probably not carry anything like super flashy. So we're not going to be bringing any like big old purses and stuff. We're going to stick to just cross the body fanny pack bags, I guess is what you could consider them. But again, when going to another country, another very important thing that you are going to need is your passports. So in ours, we have both of ours. They are, I don't know if you can see, engraved. We got them from Cody's brother and his wife as a wedding gift. It says Mr. Wynn and Mrs. Wynn. They are unbelievably like beautiful, amazing, like amazing gifts. So very grateful for them. But make sure you pack these when you are traveling to another country. So we got all our outfits pretty much packed. Swimsuits, daytime, nighttime. Can't forget jammies.
So I'm kind of done packing my suitcase. But what I also need to pack is my backpack. This will hold obviously my camera gear and something I got recently. My MacBook Pro! So I can finally edit on the go and don't have to wait until I get home.
We did decide to be a little more responsible because obviously it's all-inclusive. We do very much plan on eating and drinking all day. But we've worked really hard like on our bodies, I would say. Like we've been working out and dieting because we wanted to feel good about ourselves while here. But we also, while enjoying ourselves, don't want to let all that hard work go to waste. So we do plan on working out just a little bit in the mornings to, you know, we work out so we can eat. If we said it before, we'll say it again.
So right now I'm using my newest lens, but this is my wide angle lens and I use this mostly for most of my vlogs, which helps get that super wide angle. Because right now for this frame, I'm pretty far away. I'm touching the tip right here, so I can't hold the camera. But with this one, I can be like this close to the camera, but it gets so much.
This is like obviously hashtag not sponsored, but if you're an organizing person like me, packing cubes really are like the best thing you can get. They have made packing a game changer. Like I just got our whole trip, daytime clothes and workout clothes in this. I have so much more room for activities. Punch it. Make it fit.
Something very helpful is a dedicated bathroom bag. So got all my goodies in here. Toothbrush, toothpaste, you know, hair products, and floss. Very nice.
Bring just these 2 pairs of nice shoes. I got a nice simple pair of heels, goes with everything, and then a pair of strappy sandals in case I don't feel like hurting my feet.
Yep.
Sandals I'm going to put in my backpack because I plan on changing after the flight. So I'm going to just put those in there.
I was just going to change once we get to the room.
Oh yeah, that too. Either way, sandals are going in my backpack. Oh, the baby's crying.
Dogs, to be clear.
Correct. We ain't ready for that yet. All right, now let's jump on that flight. Guys, we have landed in Punta Cana. We have gotten checked into our resort at the Iberostar, and there's so much to tell you guys, but make sure to stay tuned for our next video.